her bath, walks right on the trailer. She's very much traffic broke. That way before we got her. We live on a very busy 4-lane highway, and we ride all of our horses up and down the highway. And of course there's no traffic now that we're videoing. We're located in Zionsville, Kentucky at Forest Ridge Farm. It's a beautiful day here. The wind's blowing. We appreciate you watching our videos.